What's up, people? Welcome back to our David and Empire. And today, you don't know, we have something here. A little small thing, gadget that we ordered, and we got it today. And we got the new DJI Neo Drone. You see me? So I say I want to do a little open box and thing. You see me? So this is it, Neo Drone. So I open the box and thing. Yo, you know me already, I love gadgets, I love every kind of gadgets. You know, so I'm excited. While ago, me da watch a movie, I just have to leave the movie just to come out to come deal with it right now. So yeah, this is the drone part of it. So the drone, we get a drone, we get some little sticker and some instruction and thing like it. And I think they have the charger also. Charger in another box here. So let's see. It's really it get to the point. Oh, this are extra. Them get extra blades like propeller or whatever they use. Two of them. You see me? And then I look for being a screwdriver just in case you want to change over. And then you have the USB, the US Type C charger, USB Type C charger. Yeah, Type C charger I should say. And they don't know it. Basically, it get to the point. It's not much in the package. The drone, the charger, the two propeller. So you get to the point. You understand? So I think the battery is supposed to be inside of the drone. So I'm open the bag now. You see me? In the future, I'm gonna buy one different, bigger drone. You're gonna see it. Excited, love it. So this is the drone, people. Look at it. See it? The drone is here. You see me? I think it have two sensors under the bottom right here, so, and the camera right there, so the four propellers, and I think the battery is here. I want to see what going on. Come show them what going on. So yeah, people, these are the battery. I don't know how much percent the battery I have. I think I charged it before, but right now told me you want to fly this, I think I can't can't wait, brother. So they want to read the instruction, I just want to get to it, the point of it. When I know what I'm to do first. So yeah, I'm gonna cut and come back soon forward. Oh, I actually have the fly up already. So I'm sure to show you how I'm being away from this ascent here. Okay, so I'm gonna know. People, so I actually put the drone for charge because them say yo me have to charge it before I activate it. So I charge him up, give him like a juice first. They don't know me excited already enough to start him up and fly him. So I go charge him up and then check him back with you, so forward.
Hey guys, so
Cut. She never wants to know.
You better grab it if it a go away. Bring it to me now. Bring it right there, so. Bring it in front of the camera.
I love this shit, yeah? Looks like a little kid. And that's how you do it. Yeah.